be proud.
I'm a nobody and nothing. This gives me an opportunity to say something. Unity soon as I feel the bass pumping. So I go back in the booth to produce a track. Lay down my lyrics, play the song for you to hear it. With the stories I tell, you can even see him. This says more than 1,000 words. You don't have to count to believe it. Just taking the count that I'm breathing. No beats making you bounce to the ceiling. You just might appreciate the fact I'm not cheating. I'm just reaching for the stars cause I'd like to be able. You and me gotta keep going cause the road is fatal. And I know we got our letters together, but I also know it's gonna get worse before it gets better. If it's cold I'll give you my sweater. When you fold I'll hold you together. So I've been told, but no one bonds forever. They're just pretending. I'm sorry for making a song without a happy ending. Descending like this is God sending me to bring the message. Gotta bring this to an end cause no friendship is restless. So friendship is restless. And guess what the best is? So beautiful and precious. I'm restless, so I'm gonna use my breath till I'm breathless.
You know my name, would it be the same 10 years from now? If we'd stop speaking now, would it be the same if we'd meet again? So far from now, would you still be proud?
I felt the truth too fucking hard to be lying now. I've been in those moments where you feel like you're falling down and nothing will stop you, so you just keep falling. I'm so big, so strong, strong enough to be honest. I feel like these songs are strong enough to bond us, long enough to show each one of us that love isn't harmless. It's the strongest emotion you will ever feel, kid, but also the biggest problem you will ever deal with. The worst thing about it is you can't choose if you want it. It can make you feel sick, shit called blues, you got it. I try to stay away from it as much as I can. Don't wanna play with it, I'll just end up burning my hand. I don't know if this was the Lord who taught me a lesson. Don't wanna do it no more, all the second guessing, messing about, trying to figure out which is my route. I learned it will never turn out the way you wanted it to, so you just gotta keep going, pick your heart out the blue. You just gotta stay strong, I know it's hard to do, but once you're at the top and you see how far you made it, that's when you realize the strength into what you can make it. Nothing's impossible and nothing's an obstacle. Just do what you got to do, lose who you got to lose. The biggest disappointment is disappointing yourself. I know I'm making my point when you start to notice my health.
You know my name, would it be the same 10 years from now? If we'd stop speaking now, would it be the same if we'd meet again? So far from now, would you still be proud? Would you know my name? Would it be the same 10 years from now? If we'd stop speaking now, would it be the same if we meet again? So far